Hey guys, there's a lot going on at the restore today. These all either need mounting brackets or screws, and I just haven't had time to work on them. There's Chris's light pile. Here's some stuff I had to scrap today. That needs a remote, but I think the remote might be buried somewhere. Here's a whole bunch of piles of stuff. This is at the end of the day, by the way. This is after having taken care of a lot of this, but there's still so much more to do. Here's stuff we haven't touched yet. I mean, look at all this. Okay, so let's see what I did put out for sale today. Those Brones are still here, not surprising. Mink is still here. Some of this stuff is still here in this Westinghouse 3-bladed fan I put out today. Summer Breeze is still here. What is this, a Craftsmade? I don't remember if this was here before or not. Put this Four Seasons out today. Put this 3-speed Panama out today. Oh, something sold. An Emerson designer. Mega Air is surprisingly still here for $15. SMC W52 is still here. Bayport's still here. This, I don't know, is it a Gulfstream or a Minka Cumberland, whatever, still here. Hunter Studio's still here. The other Panama I put out today, this one's IntelliTouch. So, okay. Thanks for watching.